Welcome! Let's talk about changing the whole look of your house with just addressing the front door. Come take a peek. If you want to do a simple freshening up of your front porch, just paint the front door. A new color can be an easy, affordable way to bring fresh energy to your home. The color you choose might say more than you think. Your front door is the first thing someone sees when they enter your home. The look of the entry and the color of the door tells that person subliminally what is on the inside. Let's look at 10 popular front door colors and what they traditionally mean. 1. Red. A red door has long symbolized welcome. It's warm, bold, and full of energy. In some cultures, it also represents protection and good luck. Plus, it works out great if you like decorating for Christmas. 2. Blue. Soft blues feel calm and peaceful, while deeper blues offer a sense of trust and quiet strength. It's a popular color for a reason. It makes your home feel like a safe haven. 3. Black. A black front door is timeless. It gives off feelings of elegance, order, and sophistication. Works perfect for an office entrance. Think classic, clean, and strong. Plus, if you are a Halloween buff, your decorating just might get first prize. 4. Green. Green connects us to nature. It represents growth, balance, and prosperity. If you're aiming for a grounding and healthy feel, green is a beautiful choice. 5. Yellow is bright and cheerful. Yellow is a happy color that shows optimism, creativity, and warmth. It's like giving your guests a sunny hello, even when it is dark outside. 6. White. White doors give off simplicity, freshness, and peace. Perfect for clean lines and a calm porch vibe. 7. Gray. Subtle but strong. Gray symbolizes balance and thoughtful style. It's neutral but never boring. 8. Brown wood tones. Natural wood or brown doors feel warm, stable, and earthy. They invite in coziness and a connection to nature. Wood is from nature, so it gives the feeling of strength and protection. 9. Purple. Want something bold and unique? Purple doors hint at creativity, independence, and even a bit of mystery or luxury. 10. Orange. A fun and playful choice. Orange says you're adventurous, energetic, and love to make people feel welcome. So if your front porch needs a simple refresh, a fresh coat of paint or stain might be all it takes to give your home a whole new feel. Let me know your door color in the comments, and if you'd change it after hearing the meanings. Don't forget to share this if you know someone who is getting ready to paint their home. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any videos on making life simple with my Kindly Simple channel. See you at the next video.